Warheads Extreme Sour. Ugh. This is gonna be scary. Well, I mean, I've tried very sour things before, but never tried a warhead in my life, so.
Is this gonna be really scary like that?
No, it's not gonna be scary, it's just gonna be sour.
Sour candy?
This is gonna get sour.
Is your head gonna turn red?
No.
Oh, what the? I don't want you to be like funnier.
This is apple.
What the heck? That's sour apple.
Oh, I'm so scared.
I'm not scared.
Okay, here we go.
Hey, taste it. What? What, Fletcher? Is it sour?
Oh.
Is it hot?
Okay, here we go.
Is it hot?
Time to be brave.
Be brave.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. It's gonna keep it in.
Mm-hmm.
Is it sour? Is it sour?
Very.
You wanna try some, PJ?
No! I ruined it.
Here, just try a lick.
It will be super sour. Okay. Ow. No. Ah!
Is this actually too bad? Nah. That's so gross. Right.
Thank you for watching, and next time we can do this.
That
Bye.
was the Warhead Challenge. Bye.
Bye.